Hey, it's Lauren here at 123 Load Board. Time for yet another how-to video. If you're a freight broker or shipper managing all your available loads in an Excel sheet, this video is for you. Did you know that you can automate with us so that all your loads get posted on our load board in real time? We offer many different options to automate and upload your loads directly into your account, one of which, of course, is the ability to drag and drop an Excel sheet or CSV file so that you don't have to send us an email each time you want to update your loads. Let's get started. Once you're in your account, of course, make sure you're on the broker shipper side, head on down to the My Load section, click on Upload Posts. Here's where you'll be able to upload a file. What is a file? A file is an Excel sheet or a CSV file that you, of course, manage all your loads. If you need that file, you can definitely click on the file guidelines and download a template. The template could be anything. We'll accept any Excel sheet or CSV file that you send to us. All that we ask is that the fields and columns remain intact. What I mean by that is I'll open up my Excel sheet here from my desktop. I'll expand each column, and we, of course, are going to see some information. Each column has some information. Of course, there's a heading on each. So here, of course, is the phone number, email, origin state, origin city, destination or drop-off city, state, pickup date, equipment type, load size, et cetera, et cetera. All these informations are important for us to post your load. The key factor here is to keep in mind, always keep all columns the same. If you change it, we have to remap the columns to the proper fields. Therefore, your loads won't get posted in real time. We'll have to do some adjustments on our end, of course. So if you keep your file the same way intact, we will be able to post your loads each and every time. So what we're going to do now is, of course, close this Excel sheet. And what I'm going to do is I have a file on my desktop, which I'm just going to drag over to this area here. As you see, I'm going to drag it. Once you drag it, you, of course, going to get an answer or a confirmation that the file was uploaded successfully. I can head on over to my posted loads. I can see that the 12 loads that I want to post are there. I can click on any of my loads. I can manage them if I need to. And I can always head on over to the truck locator tool to view carriers nearby. So if you want to learn how to do that, definitely check out the video up here. Hope you enjoy the step-by-step instructional video on how to drag and drop your available loads into your 123 Load Board account. We definitely greatly appreciate a thumbs up if it gave you some value, and remember to subscribe to the channel to always get notified when we launch something new. Once again, if you need help, head on over to help.123loadboard.com. We have a lot of frequently asked questions there for you. Once again, thanks and have a great day.